Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend for Wednesday, the 26th of July. Let's look back at last week's Trading the Trend from IG's senior market analyst Axel Rudolph, which was to go short wheat, which a week ago was trading around $7.27. You can see here the trade was to go short around this level as it hit the 200-day moving average. The stop was up above this February high at 807. So we are still somewhere away from that stop, but certainly as you can see, the price has moved sharply higher since then, mainly because continuing concerns about that Russia-Ukraine grain deal, which is essentially now completely extinct, really. It looks like the situation can become more serious with Russian attacks on Ukrainian grain infrastructure, which has driven the price higher over the past week and could continue to do so if the situation escalates. So while it hasn't hit our stop yet, it certainly isn't moving yet in our favor. But for the moment, obviously with the stop and the risk management in place, it is still an active trade. Now, if we look to this week, for the week of Wednesday, 26th of July, we're going to look at gold, which is seeing quite a bit of a recovery the last couple of days after some weakness at the end of last week and the beginning of this week, and that follows on from a recovery from the lows of early July. You can see for gold, we were down around 1900 as July began, and then we finally got a rally that many have been looking for. It breached the 50-day moving average, moved sharply higher, and then pulled back, but it has consolidated the past couple of days and started to move higher. So we look to go long gold for this week's trade, trading the trend, with the expectation that it continues to move higher. So we're going to go long gold. With the stop, we're going to have to put this, give it plenty of room because this is a longer term trade. We're going to put our stop back down at 1900, really, to give it plenty of room. So we could see some volatility around here, especially around the Fed meeting all the earnings we've got over the next week or so. We're going to go long gold with a stop at 1900, and then the target is over the course of time for it to move up towards these highs that we saw in the end of April, beginning of May of this year, up around $2,050 an ounce. So that's trading the trend for Wednesday, the 26th of July. We're going to go long gold with our stop down at 1900 and our target at 2050.